How to change background color for photos and videos on Instagram stories. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll down and you will find your pictures. Simply click on the picture you want to add, and Instagram added the background. Now what you need to do is on the right side, click on the arrow like icon. Then click on draw. Now select the color you want as your background and hold on to the picture. Now everything is black. Click on the tick mark at the top right. Here, now click on the sticker like icon on the right side and click on photo. Now click on the same photo you wanted to add, and now you can add your photo in this way and press on your story at the bottom left. Now for videos you can do the same process. Select the video you want to add and then expand the arrow, press on draw. Now select the color you want for your background, hold on in the screen and click on the tick mark. Now for that, again click on draw and at the top click on the eraser icon and erase only in the parts of the video smoothly. After you've erased it in this way, press on tick mark at the top right and then add it to your story. This is how to change background color for photos and videos on Instagram stories. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.